If four resistances are connected as shown in the figure, then between A and B the effective resistance is.
Here we need to calculate the equivalent resistance between point A and point B. So let us define the potential at each and every point. We will use point method and then we will solve it. If we consider potential here as VA, and this connecting wire does not have any resistance, or we can neglect that resistance. So if you move from this point to this point, there is no potential drop, there is no change in the potential, since the resistance over here is 0. So if the potential here is VA, here also it will be VA. From here to here it will be VA. Same way if you go from here to here, at this point it will be VA, up to here it will be VA. Same thing up to here it will be VA. It is already written over here, VA. Okay, now if you talk about this point, here let us say potential is VB. So up to here the potential will be VB. From here to here the potential will be VB. Immediately after this resistance, actually we don't know what is the potential here. There will be some drop. So we don't know the potential here. So let us suppose the potential, this point, let us call this point as C. So potential here is VC. Here it will become VC. Here it becomes VC. Here it becomes VC. So overall we have marked 3 points, point A, point B and point C. So let us draw those 3 points somewhere. Point A, point B and point C somewhere in between. As you can see clearly, between point A and C there are two resistances. This is VAVC, this is VAVC. So between point A and C there are two resistances. So let us draw those two resistances over here. This is one resistance and then another resistance is something like this. Similarly, between points B and C there is one resistance. These two are between A and C. This resistance is between B and C. So let us draw one resistance between B and C. And at last if you see, this is the resistance connecting between A and B. So this point is A, this point is B. Between A and B the resistance is connected something like this. If you write the values, this was 4 ohm and that was 6 ohm. This between B and C, 1.6 ohm. And at last this resistance is this one, that is between A and B, that is 4 ohm. So between A and B it is 4 ohm. Now if you observe carefully, 4 and 6 in parallel, if you solve you will get 2.4 ohm. And this point is A, that point is B. So this point is A and this point is B. Now if you observe again, 2.4 and 1.6 are in series. If you calculate the equivalent of these two, you will get total 4. That 4 ohm resistance and this 4 ohm resistance are in parallel. That 4 and this 4 becomes 2 ohm. So resistance between A and B is equal to 2 ohm. This is your final answer.